Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a review on MoneyUp, which is a really fantastic little app that I use on my smartphone to help me save money. You've maybe seen it advertised on TV. It's just an app you download and it rounds up your spare change, and I've got it going into a stocks and shares ISA. Right guys, this is us now in the Moneybox app. This is a really cool little app that I love to use on my smartphone. Just like I've got another video of me using Plum. It's quite a similar app that I also use, but I use that more for that I tend to use for more investing into various shares. Whereas with MoneyUp, what it does, it rounds up my change and it puts it into a stocks and shares ISA. That's what I chose. So you can see here, stocks and shares ISA, current value £301. My current earnings are minus £6.99. And the reason for the loss there, you'll see, is most likely going to be the coronavirus outbreak. It's really hit my investments really hard. But the world of investing, it's something you'll learn the longer you do it, that it will always try and rebound. You'll see that it will rebound. It was worse than this a few days ago, but it's come back up. So you just have to leave it, and it should come back up. You'll see here, you can go into a breakdown of the stocks and shares ISA, the current earnings, and where it puts all the money. Like I say, it's a very cool little app. If we go back into Discover, this just is a Moneybox blog. You'll see here they're covering the ups and downs of the stock market. The reason they'll be doing that is they're probably getting a lot of complaints from folk regarding investments dropping due to the coronavirus, but a lot of folk won't realise that's why it is, and that is why it is. And it's nothing to worry about. And this week here you'll see it tells you, so stocks and shares ISA, £301. So this week, £11.17 is what I've saved from change roundups, and it collects the money on the same day each week. So at the moment I've got £11.17. So if I spend more money tonight, I'll then round up that change, and that in the box that's circled there, that money will go up until 6 days, and then it'll take the money out of my bank account and into the Moneybox account. So that 301 will go up. It shows you all your transactions and how much change is rounded up. Not very good for me there. It's all to do with eating and drinking alcohol, which isn't good. And you can do a quick add there. So you can quick add £10 or £50, or add whatever you want. And like I say, the reason I love this is because you just have to forget about it. You just leave it and it rounds up your change for you. Obviously make sure that when you're using any of these apps that you can afford to save what it's saving. Some folk maybe can't afford to round up all their change, so just double check that before you sign up to the app, but you can always stop at any time. Now, with any investment, it's really important that you do your due diligence and just double check that your money will be secured and that the app you're using is a reputable firm, because it is your money that you've earned at the end of the day. So I'll just show you here, just on their website, themoneyboxapp.com. They've got Is My Money Secure? And you'll see there something we've touched on before in a previous video with Plum, is the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. And you'll notice here that the Moneybox, your funds that you have in your stock and shares ISA, LISA and General Investment account is covered by FSCS up to £85,000, which is great. You'll see here they are authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, which is great, so that's a thumbs up before you start using the app. Another thing you want to double check with anything that you do is obviously any fees, because where you make money, there's always someone else making money, and that's something to be really careful with when it comes to these sort of investment apps. Just double check the fees. Here there's a fixed monthly fee of £1, free for the first 3 months, and then it's charged per account. So £1 a month, plus you will have platform fees. As you'll see there, 0.45% of the value of your investments per year. Fund provider fees. But the fund provider fee I wouldn't expect would apply to the stocks and shares ISA, but something just to double check. And like I say, guys, anything you do, always do your due diligence, and make sure that you feel confident and happy to invest your money before investing any money. Now I use these apps and they've worked for me, despite the minus £6.99. But that's needless to say. You should still check yourself, make sure that you feel happy and comfortable with what you are doing. Just thinking there's anything else worth highlighting. I think the other thing is when you open the app, it's a PIN to get into it. Similar to Plum, it's a 5-digit PIN. You can open a personal pension, a lifetime ISA, a savings account. But for me personally, I tend to save money, so I've got enough money for a rainy day fund. As long as I've got a rainy day fund set aside, then I invest everything else I have in various things. And these money apps, they're very popular now. These are the easiest way you can do it, and it's great for a beginner, and I've really enjoyed it. But don't be put off by the minus $6.99. That's just because of the coronavirus outbreak, and that should rebound. Where I'll just put money in for you automatically. That's nothing to do with the roundup, that's just a fixed amount you want to put in. You can withdraw your money, which is important. Obviously we've already mentioned this blog, and just obviously this week is all the money that you've spent. Obviously the more money you spend, the more change there is to round up. For me, I spend a lot of money socialising, out drinking and eating. It probably explains my big gut, but I'm happy doing that, so that's fine. I hope you've enjoyed this wee review. Like I say, the most important things to be conscious of is make sure that any app you use is covered by the FSCS, and also make sure that you're happy with the fund fees. Moneybox is currently all over the TV, there's a lot of adverts for it, but I've really enjoyed it. So you can see there I've saved £324 in tax, and I've saved £11.17 this week alone, and that's all my Plum spending, because I do invest in Plum. But no, it's a great wee app. If you have any questions, post them below, and let me know how you get on with the app, and let me know if you enjoy it. And if you have found any other apps that you like, let me know. It's always great to hear what you guys are up to, and thanks for following the channel, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this latest video brought to you by me, Millennial Investor. If you have any questions or any suggestions for any new videos you want me to put up, just put it in the comments section just down below. Remember to subscribe to the channel for all my new videos that are coming up, and you can follow me on Instagram as well, Millennial Investor UK. The link is down below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you.